Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. All right, family, if y'all been around YouTube for a while, you probably run into those videos where these professional guys have what they call an office tour. They have people like Marques Brownlee, Peter McKinney, Random Frank P. They all have these beautiful office setups. They have sit-stand desk. They have computers, headphones, peripherals as they call it, keyboards, mouses, all worth thousands of dollars. Well, we're gonna do an office tour today, but my office ain't like everybody else's. Y'all stay tuned and check your boy's office out. We'll be right back. All right, family. Welcome to my office. If you've been around the channel for a while, y'all know about the hog pen. The hog pen is my office. This back room here in the house, which is the sunroom, is an extension of my office. And this storage building, to me, is area #1. It's the main part of the office. Well, actually, the hog pen is the main part of the office, but this is where I spend a lot of my time. And I don't think y'all have seen this since we put everything together. Now, this is never gonna be like just super organized. Let me open this door and secure it so it's not closing on us and we don't lose light. All right. Now, when we first put this in, y'all were here, and I have a video actually on when we actually installed this thing, and I'll drop a link to that in the description below. All right, but since we put it in, we've gone in and put in all our storage. It came with an overhead loft. You see I got a couple of shelves up there. I got random stuff. We got tables. We got a gas can, my Superman radio. Got a few things. Well, this one only came with one loft. Well, of course, you never get enough storage. When you buy something, you never buy it big enough. So I actually added my own loft. I bought a half a sheet of plywood. I've already had a half a sheet. I think that's 3/4 plywood. I put them up here. I put a split up here, put the ladder in the middle, and I got all kind of odds and ends up there. I added a television, which is my favorite, because when I'm out here in the morning, I come out here in the morning about 3:30 every morning, and I get myself in a light workout. I got my weeder machine, I have my stationary bike, and I have my M7, which is basically a elliptical machine. We come out here, we cut on our buddy, the little buddy, Mr. Buddy heater, warm it up since it's winter time now, and we come out here and we get ourselves a light working in about a half hour. I have my generators here. I have those located next to the door, so once every month, every 2 months, I can simply come out here, grab the handle, crank it up, grab the handle, crank it up. I'm going to be selling this generator because I have 3 generators and I don't need a 7,000 watt power horse. I'm keeping the Predator. It's lightweight. It won't run the RV, but it does a great job when it comes to running a couple of lamps. It'll run refrigerator, things of that nature. So it's good for emergencies. This is a piece of CB equipment. When I used to talk on Citizen Band radio, it's what they call a driver or a linear. And I'm going to be getting rid of that since I don't talk on the CB radio anymore. I got my pressure washer here. And this is one of the best things I have, and here's why. This is a table saw. I got this table saw about a month ago. That was a gift from my company that I work for being a 25-year plus employee. Every 5 years, you reach a threshold and you get something, a gift of your choice. And there's about 20 things you can choose from. And I chose a table saw because I didn't have one. This is a box full of golf balls. On a previous video about a year and a half ago, y'all saw where I used to ride my bicycle. I live next to about a mile from a golf course, and I would pick up random golf balls out of the ditch. And that's probably one of the containers of golf balls that I have over years of collecting golf balls. Over here, I have one of my prized possessions. I have a clock. I ordered that from Amazon about a year ago. Right now it's not set right because when I cut this room off every day and the clock doesn't reset properly. But that clock, that thing right now, if I'm not mistaken, is about 120 bucks on Amazon. I don't remember paying that much for it, but I think I did. I have my little stove area here, so in the morning, I come out here and make my coffee. I put it in the French press. I have instant coffee. I have a few snacks if I choose to spend the afternoon out here. I want to fix me something real quick, some soup or some Spam. Got a few things here, frying pan. What else? I have my two hand trucks, I call them. There, one of them has a flat tire. I have two of those. I have a drill press over here, and that thing was in the old shed, so it got wet. I'm not sure if it works. I haven't tried plugging it in since the hurricane. Chairs over here in the corner, butane bottles, tools, hole diggers, my chop saw, and just a variety of things I keep here in the shed. Now, when I was going through the shed, getting everything organized, I found this. Now, I knew I was pretty. See, there's a difference between handsome and pretty. Your boy was pretty back in the day. I think, I'm not sure, don't quote me on this, but I think I could have been a model. That boy was pretty, y'all. You can still see some of that in there. Oh yeah, about 40 years later, baby. But your boy still, ooh, woo. Jump back, want to kiss myself. Oh, y'all put that back. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I don't think I should leave this here unsecure. I think this thing should be in a Brinks armored car, maybe in a safe deposit box in the bank. Should be somewhere secure. That's too pretty to be just laying around. Somebody might get a hold of that thing. Oh. Under here, I keep one of my little power stations. That's actually that little $100 power station from Lowe's. Doesn't do exactly what it's supposed to, but it does okay. I have my water source right here. This is a 6-gallon bucket. I have one of those USB chargers in here, one of the USB water things in here. It sucks the water up out of there. I put it in my coffee pot and my kettle, and I fill it up for coffee. And that's basically my setup. Just some random things I keep here in the shed. But this is the headquarters for, and I hold my TV. Oh, I got this thing on a swivel, y'all. I can swivel this thing in, out. I can actually bring it out far enough where we can see it from outside when I'm out here cooking or whatever. And I actually made that myself. I took some old components that I found on the side of the road. I took this bracket. This is a different kind of bracket. I hooked them together and made this swivel, extra long swivel for this TV. Oh, that boy is a genius, I tell you. All right, family. I just wanted y'all know about the outside. Y'all know all about the hog pen. I keep my rakes and tools over here. Some of my tools that I don't care about getting wet, messed up. Got my little table here, my rocking chair. Y'all know about the bin. I found this on the side of the road 6, 7, 8 years ago. And I need to weatherproof it somehow because it's not going to last if I leave it out here in the weather. All these, been out here now for about a year, I guess, since the hurricane, since I built the hog pen. But I love this thing. On the top drawer, if y'all haven't seen that video, this is my bar where I keep all my beverages. Here I keep a few random, that's my junk drawer. I keep my fish cooking items. I keep some seasoning out here, some distilled vinegar, my apron. There's a fire extinguisher in there. Just random things. Down here I keep some of my pots. That is actually a pressure cooker. That is basically 2 pressure cookers, frying pans, and y'all get the gist. Under here I keep my gas, my propane. Keep one of my Big Easies, and this is actually supposed to be over here. It's not for protection, just for what they call it, cosmetics. I keep my Big Easy smoker over here, barbecue pit. This is where I keep my cooking utensils in my mailbox. If y'all haven't seen the video, I did a video where I hooked this mailbox up, and I used that for my tool caddy, for my cooking caddy, if you will. I got some grill grates back here, and y'all have seen the hog pen. Y'all know what we're working with. Family, this is my office setup. So when it comes to people like Random Frank P, Peter McKinney, all the boys, and they have their big high-powered computers and the tools that they work with in their offices, this is my office setup. I've been wanting to share that with y'all for a while. Didn't know where to really inject it in, but hey, this is our channel. We do what we want. We talk about what we want, and if you don't like the content, then we move on and we wait for next week and catch some content that you do like. But here it is, family. This is your boy's office. Y'all can catch me out here every morning at about 3:30. Out here watching some YouTube on my TV, because I actually have it plugged in here. I have a Fire Stick. I watch my YouTube. Come in here and do me some HIIT training. I do a hard 2 minutes here, hard 2 minutes there. Do a set of legs, chest, biceps, triceps over here. And I just keep doing that rotation about 4 times until I'm done. Head back inside, fresh coffee, get ready for my day. All right, family, if y'all enjoyed this brief impromptu video, then y'all give your boy a thumbs up and a like. Keep engaged. That'll keep us fresh here on YouTube. Keep things moving forward. Family, I appreciate y'all. I really do. Y'all take care. Y'all have a great day. It's your boy Rosie. Peace.